Congratulations, Mama! You did it! You brought a whole new human being into the world. That's amazing! It's normal to feel overwhelmed. Your body just went through a major transformation. Give yourself grace. Remember, every mom's journey is different. Be kind to yourself and celebrate this special time. Postpartum weight loss is a common concern for many new moms. It's important to approach this journey with a healthy and realistic mindset. Remember, your body needs time to recover and adjust. Focus on taking care of yourself and your little one. Weight loss after pregnancy is a marathon, not a sprint. There's no need to rush the process. Listen to your body, nourish it with healthy foods, and engage in gentle exercise when you feel ready. Start by setting small, achievable goals for yourself. Above all, remember that you are beautiful and strong, just the way you are. Embrace this new chapter in your life and enjoy every moment with your precious little one. Setting realistic goals is key to postpartum weight loss success. Don't compare your journey to others. Every woman's body is unique. Focus on what feels right for you. Set small, achievable goals that you can gradually work towards. Instead of aiming for a specific number on the scale, focus on making healthy choices each day. Start with simple changes like adding more fruits and vegetables to your diet. Incorporate short walks into your routine as you feel able. Listen to your body and rest when you need it. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. Remember, you've got this, Mama. With patience, self-love, and a little determination, you can achieve your postpartum weight loss goals. As a new mom, especially if you're breastfeeding, your body needs plenty of nutrients to recover and thrive. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods that will nourish you from the inside out. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. These foods will help you feel full and satisfied, while also supporting your energy levels. Include plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for your health. Don't forget about healthy fats. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds into your meals and snacks. They provide essential fatty acids that are important for both you and your baby. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you are breastfeeding. Remember, food is fuel. Make healthy choices that will support your body's needs during this special time. Exercise is a wonderful way to boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and gradually work towards your postpartum weight loss goals. But remember, it's important to listen to your body and start slowly. Begin with gentle exercises like walking, swimming, or postpartum yoga. These activities are low impact and can help you regain strength and flexibility. As you feel stronger, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Find activities you enjoy. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or joining a Mommy and Me fitness class, choose something that brings you joy and fits into your lifestyle. Remember, every little bit counts. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you have any concerns about exercising after pregnancy, talk to your healthcare provider. They can guide you on safe and effective ways to move your body.